What's up YouTube? Today we're at the House of Horrors and we're gonna be filming a progress video on what this place looks like when it's all ripped apart. We got kitchen torn apart, bathroom torn apart, and I want you, especially if you're a newer real estate investor, to know what these things look like once they're all halfway done. We'll do a progress video once it's totally done, but today is in progress. If you wanna see the original video of the House of Horrors, you can go click here, or like somewhere on the screen will pop up the original video so you can get all caught up to speed. But until then, let's jump right in and show you what we're doing here. Not sure if you guys remember in the original video, but this floor was sloping off here. Starting at this corner, must have been some kind of an entrance or a different part of the house, and with this rad weighing 400, 500, 600 pounds, and my previous tenant having a drum set here, this has made the floor sink by a good inch or two. So we've drained the rad, we got a plumber here today, so thanks so much for coming. We're gonna lift this out, and Jason's gonna re-support all the floor beams here. What do you see here, Jason? What are you gonna do here? You're gonna cut everything else out?
We're gonna get the rest of the subfloor out, make it so it's nice and level, tie into the existing sill, and then put in new 3/4 inch plywood in that and beef it up so when the weight's back on here, it's not gonna let go again. There's no footings or really anything holding this, so we'll make sure that's supported and it's good to go.
Yeah, we found a frayed wire in here, so it was probably good that we did open it up. We're gonna run a new line. And what's the name of your company there, Jason, in case somebody wants to find you?
Southstone, interior exteriors.
There we go, all over southwestern Ontario. Let's go check out what else we're gonna be doing. After that, we're gonna put down new luxury vinyl plank in here. We've already done the paint job. We're gonna get window coverings up and it's gonna look a lot better. So let's go check out the kitchen and the bathroom. All right, you probably remember this room. This room had all kinds of Mac tack on the wall. I'm sure we'll flash a picture up here to show you guys. There's some video footage. But we painted it. We're gonna be putting in a new light fixture here. One thing that we do try to do is we try to save all the old, baseboards and molding and stuff like that and reuse it, because you can't get this stuff. You can't really get any construction materials these days, but we really try to salvage our trim when we're going through it here. And moving on into the bathroom here, we totally ripped it all apart. It was pretty tough to salvage much in here, so we tore out the old tub. It was cast iron. They had a really weird setup here. All the water was on this side of the wall, so we're flipping it around. We're putting water on this side, re-insulated. Gonna put in some new blue board here, new tub. Nice new backsplash. We're gonna go with subway tile, new vanity, floors, in and out, new window that we have. The previous tenants didn't want us to install it. They were giving us a hard time about access to the unit, so they never got a new window. Ask me why, that's crazy, but that's going in. So new bathroom light, everything, it's gonna be awesome. All right, so we're in the kitchen right now, and we've basically taken off all the doors and the countertop. Now these counters are pretty shallow for a kitchen. If we went and put in new counters, they're gonna be hanging a lot more, and it's just gonna take away from the kitchen space. So instead, we're gonna rebuild the kitchen doors. Jason's gonna do a great job doing that. And then new hardware, but for the countertop, we're gonna go with bamboo. Just varathane it, clear coat it on top. And I've never used bamboo. I usually just use either granite, quartz, or laminate, but we're gonna try the bamboo here. If people use it as a cutting board, it's not the end of the world. So this is gonna look a lot better here. They're gonna fix the dry rot here. Electrician's coming. This is some really weird electrical right here. We've got the switch to the kitchen within 2 feet of the sink, and it's just sticking out. We thought about building a box around it. We just said, no, we're gonna do it right. We're gonna punch holes in the ceiling and in the wall, and we're gonna run a switch just behind the cameraman here, so that's totally away. We're gonna do a nice subway backsplash. So I mean, it is gonna be older, but these are wood cabinets. Once we give them a sand and a new paint and new doors, it'll look fantastic. So again, on the last video, we talked about moving the stove, just turning it, and then putting like a fan so that we can vent out and also have a light, and it'll be more of a proper kitchen that way. A little bit more usable space here. Get a nice window covering here up on the window. It's a newer window. We're keeping the fridge. We're able to get most of the drawings and the murals off the fridge here. We'll hit it one more time. We'll get the cleaning person in to go take care of that. So this is the progress of the property here, guys. We've already got a lineup of people that want to rent the place. So as soon as this place is finished in another week or two, we'll be able to get the renters in. And we've been able to hit our budget. We're not spending a crazy amount of money here in the kitchen. I think we're gonna be under $2,000 for the kitchen. We're probably gonna be more like $3,000 for the bathroom, just because doing tile surrounds and things are expensive. The paint job was probably around $1,000, maybe 300 bucks for some paint and stuff too. I typically keep stock on the same colors. We use similar colors for a lot of our properties, so if we do have to do paint touch-ups, we just crack open the can, touch it up, and then we're done. And you know, light fixtures and faucets and vanities and all that stuff, that was about another $1,000. So I'm gonna be happy with the reno. Really glad that we are doing it right, and we're fixing the sagging floor, we're fixing any electrical that we need to fix, and we're gonna be redoing all the switches and plugs as well. So hopefully you like this video. Please make sure that you're liking, hit that like button, make sure you hit the subscribe button, okay? And it really helps the algorithm. We're a growing channel here, and we're looking forward to giving you guys more value. Stay tuned for future episodes, and feel free to binge on all the other stuff that we've been filming here lately too. Okay, until next time, friends, be amazing, keep investing in real estate.